me to do it.
I'll let you know how it goes. So I just sectioned out and combed my hair that I'm going to be washing. Just small little sections in the front because I mentioned I have scalp psoriasis. So I just like to make sure that even though my hairstylist does wash and condition my hair before the silk press, I just want to make sure that, you know, I get everything as much as possible so that there's less that she needs to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that really fast. It's about 12:10ish, 12:20. Amari's still sleeping. Jeremiah is home. He's with Kalia downstairs, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and take care of this so that I can get to my car stuff. So I just threw my hair in some flat twist, and I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm also gonna let this part of my hair dry some because it did get a little bit wet and I don't want it to get tangled, so I'm going to keep it kind of like in this bun until everything dries back in place. But now my scalp looks a lot clearer, and so now I feel ready to go get my treatment, which I will be taking you guys with me for. But oh, I'm excited because this Saturday I'm meeting up with hopefully a new friend. I have not met her in person yet, but she does YouTube content in the DMV, and that's my home base. Not sure if I'm going to film it or not. So I just made my lunch. It's 12:51. Amari's still sleeping, so I figured why not get some food in before he wakes up. But my husband made this chicken rice, garlic chicken rice, and I made these carrots, so I'm just gonna eat that for lunch. I will be honest, you guys, this is not his best work by far, but it's edible. I'm just gonna add some sriracha to it. Yeah, so these quiet moments are the best times for me to eat. I will eat, and then while I'm eating, I'll probably watch some YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna watch my show, and then I'm gonna go to the car, kind of show you guys what it currently looks like, and then update it. Y'all, I just love her. She is everything I needed her to be. She is literally like the embodiment of me, and I'm not just talking about the big body, like everything about her. When I saw her on the road a couple years ago, I was seeing these Volkswagens coming out with these new Atlas. I was like, oh, that looks like me. And you ever just feel like there's a car that just feels like it represents you? That's how this felt to me, and that's why I got it, because y'all can have the Benz, y'all can have the Ranges, y'all can have all the, you know, the luxury quote-unquote vehicles out here that we all know and love. But for me, I wanted something that spoke to me, for me, not because everybody else is on it, and this is what did it for me. So I don't have a name for her yet, but I do want to figure that out soon. Yeah, I just love everything about her. I could customize the ambient lighting. I just have it set to like this red color because it just feels like home to me. You know, I love these cabin seats. I think they're called cabin chairs. I love those. I like the row in between the middle seats. Yeah, I just think this is a really family-friendly vehicle, but also it's stylish, and it's something I feel very comfortable with, and I feel like it grows with our family. I really love her. Yeah, y'all, so I'm kind of like sick to my stomach, honestly. Like, if I'm pregnant again, Kalia is turning 6 months tomorrow. Like, if I am pregnant again, like, I will cry. I will cry. Like, I feel like my tears are already starting to form right now. I'm here at this parking lot at Walmart and it's empty. It is really empty, which should mean I'll be able to be in and out. Why do they lock these pregnancy tests up? Like, what do y'all think? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. So now an uncomfortable situation for me. I have to go and bring somebody into it. Press button for assistance. Side buttons, not middle. What are they talking about?
An associate will be over to assist you shortly. Thank you and have a nice day.
Great. So I just walked to the customer service desk because I waited for like 3 minutes. Nothing. So after like a minute, somebody responded on the intercom that they'll be over to help, but I'll have to wait. So now I'm sitting here waiting. I'm tired. I feel exhausted. And I have to wait. I have not had to go through this for a pregnancy test before. Like, why are they making it so difficult to get one? And then only one person has a key. Like, if I have to wait for another minute, I'm literally leaving. I think the stores around here close really early. Y'all, I'm so irritated. I sat there for like 5 minutes and waited and nobody freaking came. There was at least 10 associates that I walked past doing absolutely nothing. But only one person had access to the freaking case. Why wouldn't y'all have the case or the stuff somewhere where there's associates that can access it? Like, put it in customer service, put it at one of the specific aisle or lanes that are open. Don't just have it sitting there locked and only one person on the entire floor can access it and they're busy doing something. Like, this is already going to be a touchy moment for women who are trying to figure out what's going on with their bodies, and now you guys are going to make them sit there and wait. I'm getting there at 9 o'clock. There was like 20 cars in the parking lot. Nobody's in there shopping. Why am I having to wait? It doesn't make sense. So now I'm at the house. I'm going to see if Kalia's still up. I left her in the room. She was crying a little bit, but I was just like, I'll be in and out. But I don't know. Like, all of the drugstores are closed. Welcome to living in the rural city. So my camera battery's about to die. I don't even know what time the Walmart's closed because I left because they pissed me off. Honestly, like, oh, she needs you to wait. How long do I need to wait in an empty store? It's annoying, you all, very annoying. So yeah, the Walmart's closed like around 11, so I'm probably gonna go to a different one or something if Kalia's asleep. So she's sleeping. I'm back in my car. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm like literally, you guys, so irritated because I feel like I want to go back to that Walmart and be like, okay, is she ready yet? Because I don't feel like driving 15 minutes. This Walmart is like 2 minutes away from me. I do not feel like driving 15 minutes to and 15 minutes back. My husband he leaves work in an hour. Like, I just want to get my shit. If they ask me where I went, I'm going to say I went to the restroom. Yeah, I'm just going to do that because I'm not about to go up to another store. I know I'm so silly right now, but they are really pissing me off. Collect your urine in a clean, dry container. remove the test from the pouch, place on a flat surface, and remove the pipette. Use the pipette to transfer 4 drops of urine into the sample zone. Start timing. Read the test results between 3 and 10 minutes. This is a lot. All right, y'all. All right, you guys. It says 4 drops of urine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wait 3 to 10 minutes. So I will be back. So I'm gonna talk to you guys to keep me occupied while I wait. It's 9:43. My husband wakes up around 10:15 to go to work. So my husband just got a vasectomy last month. But vasectomies take a little while. They take a little while to, basically, you have to remove all of the like sperm and stuff from your system, so that takes a while. And I hate that I'm in this position. Like, we took measures to prevent another pregnancy, and now I'm in this position again, and I could be so in my head, and I hope I am. Because it's not that I don't want another child, it's just that I don't want another child right now. I have a 21-month-old. He's probably 22 months now. Yeah, he's 22 months now, and then I have a 6-month-old. Tomorrow she'll be 6 months in 3 hours. So okay, I have one line. One line. That means I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm not pregnant. So I'm gonna leave this out to show my husband, and I'm gonna wait for my period in 6 days, 5 or 6 days. So I feel so much better. I feel like life is back to normal. So okay, I am going to go cuddle with my husband for a little while before he goes to work, tell him the good news, and I'm gonna get ready for tomorrow. I have a 2:30 appointment, I think. So we just got back from Chick-fil-A and Sam's Club. So now my husband's bringing in our grocery order. We do the Sam's Club pickup. Kalia's just waking up from her car nap, and she does not like to be left alone. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Mommy's got you. Hi, mamas. Oh, silly girl. Silly girl. So we're gonna put these groceries away, and then it's 12:34, and I have to go in 1 hour, right? 1 hour and 30 minutes. No, in an hour I have to leave So it'll be 1:30 and it takes me an hour to get there. So yeah, I have an hour from now to get ready to leave. And then hair appointment it is.
Look, they ain't put the sausages in there.
Are you sure you ordered it?
That's why shit ran out. I'll check that out.
I thought about checking everything, but you saw the way that they put it in there. So it's like,
I don't know what check it either.
okay, Mari. Step back. Step back. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, there you go right here.
Oh.
Members, smart jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage.
Okay. Let's try again. Let's try again. Mari. What is it that you want? You want some of these squeezies? Okay. Oh no, it burst. Huh?
Yeah.
You want more?
Yeah.
Let me hold it when I open it. Really?
I was going to stop, but there was like something cool.
No, I'm talking on the camera.
Oh, I want a camera. She loves sitting right here. On the floor like this. Brown. Good job. Yeah. What, cookie?
Yeah.
See what your dad did. You were doing just fine with healthy snacks in here. All it took was one box.
So I'll give you more. Where you go?
I think he's getting his little snack container.
Yo, why you take off like that, yo?
He had his thought. So I just put up to the hair salon, so I'm going to go get my hair washed and trimmed and straightened, and I'll take you guys with me too. So
Yeah, me too. I just
mine
wanted to see. Mine's so brittle.
has it gotten better?
No,
or no?
no. It's like they just like I'll get a good length on them and then they'll just break. So I would get like manicures and stuff too. You know, just I know
itself.
I know what's up. Like, I got 4 kids. Like,
yeah, that's what I heard. Like after your third,
after that second, third,
just,
even after the second one, it's like
right for your third, and after that, they say it runs itself for the most part.
It really do. It really do.
Yeah, I actually was I had.
It's really just a trend.
And you know, I wanted to before you ended up, I found out you were pregnant. You know, I wanted to start coming every 6 to 8 weeks.
Oh, you wanted to make it like a little hurdle.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna have to do that.
I got you.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you like a candle. You know
officially late. So I just made it here. I found a park on the street. And yeah, my hair is a little bit crazy, so I don't know, but I'll try to fix it when I get out of the car and like look in the window or something. But yeah, I'm running late. I think it's 2:32. Our reservation is for 2:30, but I will get there within 5 minutes, so proud of myself. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys inside next. Just need to like it smells so good. I know it is.
I'm so sad. I had my cheese eggs and it broke.
Oh, mine's almost breaking. Like this thing.
That's the part. I put a squinchie and I dropped it on the floor. Done.
Some ketchup. And I'm having a problem with drinking it because it's strong. Can I get a spoon? I'll just drink it like a small mini spoon. Okay, yeah. It'll just become a dessert, like a cute little dessert. Salt and pepper, ketchup. Yeah, salt and pepper. I don't share it with people because I'm like, I don't want people close to me to know. I'm weird. Like I'm better with strangers.
Yeah.
Than, you know.
I get it. Like I don't post anything on my Instagram.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me about that. Why is that? Because I did notice your page is private. Mine was too. I just made it public like 2 days ago.
Okay. It's like, I don't even know if I could say I'm a private person, but for some reason like I'm comfortable on YouTube. Like Instagram,
Yeah. That's what I was supposed to say. I feel like my friends know, but none of maybe a few, like maybe 1 or 2 will watch, but most of them don't, and that's why I feel like I'm so okay with that. Please don't watch me if you don't want to. I'm not one of those people that's like, watch my stuff. So right. Yeah, I'm not like support if you want to, but I'm totally okay if you don't. It's a big deal. I feel like I'm being exposed. I'm exposing myself. Yeah.
You might motivate me to do it.
I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you. I know. Hell yeah. Hi. Oh, is it cake? Oh, is it good? Oh. That's the answer, huh?
He says it's good. Pick of the cake.
Oh, Amari. Well, that's good. So I just wanted to close out the weekend vlog. It's 8:35. I picked my children up from my parents. We're home. We just got here maybe 10 minutes ago. I'm eating some of my mom's, I think it's like her 5-flavor cake. Just taking some little pieces here. I had such a good time. I haven't had such a good time in a long time. I was like very tipsy, which was really nice because it was the first time in a while. You know, I've had kids, 2 kids back to back, so I'm still figuring out what my limits are. But where did we go? What was the name of it? I have to figure out. I'll put it on the screen. But the place we went to was really good. The food was good. The drinks were really good and nice and strong, and the company was even better. I actually met with a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Ashley. I think she goes by Ashley Ambro on YouTube, and she is so sweet and so nice, and I'm excited to see her again soon. Okay, but I missed you the mostest, Miss Ma'am. Y'all, I'm so happy to have a daughter. I can't wait to do everything with this girl. She is just like, she is just the cherry on top, the icing on top, the whipped cream, everything. So yeah, I'm going to probably nurse her. My husband's sleeping. I'm sure. I just put my son down. So yeah, I had a good time. I brought back my husband some mambo wings. Not for you, for your daddy. And so I guess I'll enjoy them tomorrow. But I just wanted to put the vlog out. The goal is for this to be up Sunday, whatever. I think today's like the 16th or 17th, so hopefully Sunday I will have this vlog up. And I'm gonna start posting a lot more. I just decided I have 2 channels. If some of y'all didn't know, so I think I'm just gonna focus on this channel for now. So I hope y'all are ready to see more of me. So have a beautiful rest of your weekend, and I hope you guys are ready to get the following week started. Kisses from us. Bye bye. You guys, I also forgot to mention that Monday we started feeding Kalia solids for the first time, and she's been loving it. So I breastfed her. I breastfed her this morning around 8, and we're gonna feed her now that she's not so antsy. This is day 4. But okay. But I need it back. You can't feed yourself yet. You're too little. I think I'm gonna put on Reasonable Doubt while I feed her. And have y'all seen that? It's very interesting. So let's talk about it. I'm on season 2, like the last 2 episodes. And I am hurt, you guys. I just feel like, spoiler alert, I'll put on the screen like when to skip when I'm done talking about this if y'all don't want to see it. Michael Ealy, when I heard he was going to be on there, I don't know, I was just expecting like the 2013 version of him. But yeah, I don't know, I just didn't love him in this. And I'm glad that she did not stay with him. He was way too controlling and kept wanting to be around her family and kids. Like, it's okay for a woman that's married to not know what she wants to do. It's okay for her to still be protective of her relationship. So I just didn't like how he was pressing her after they haven't talked in years. As far as this new male character, Morris Chestnut, I love that they added him. I definitely think this show was really smart to bring him in to like an all-white legal team, and someone that just has like that strong, healthy, masculine energy. Because her husband is masculine, but he's not like that alpha male masculine. So I like that they brought in another black male that has a different type of masculinity. I'm glad that Jax didn't stick with him, because I don't know, he just seems like a player. I don't know, but who knows? Now that she's found out that Lewis is indeed the father of Tony's baby, like, she may very well end up leaving him, and who knows, Morris, I think, is being set up to stay there at that office. So who knows what will happen. I do like them together, but I do love Lewis. I really do. I think he's like the type of guy that you don't see yourself being with. He's like the nice guy. You don't look at him and you don't like immediately get like fanny flutters and stuff, but he's still like that person that like is good. Like, he's the type of son that you want as a mom. He's the type of boy you want your daughter to date, because he's just all around solid and he's all about you. And that is, like, in this world, that's everything. I'm really rooting for him and Jax, but we'll see how that goes. I think Jax is really troubled. I didn't know she had so much in her past, but yeah, I don't love that they cast her, you know, I mean, that her character is so like strong, independent black woman. But I'm glad that they are showing the transition from that to like more of a soft, more docile type of narrative for her as a mom and wife, but also her still being able to keep that strength for her work where she needs it at. So good for them for flipping the script. But back to him getting that girl pregnant. I'm so upset that like that family did not get their happy ending. No family is perfect. I obviously know that very well. There's always going to be things that come up to try and break people apart. But like a child, that is huge. That's really a big obstacle to overcome, that most people probably don't. That was in a healthy relationship. So I'm so sad that they did that to my girl Jax, to that marriage, because it's just like, you know, I was rooting for them. I was rooting to see a family on TV that's not perfect, but they have fun, they have their arguments, but they, at the end of the day, like, they still are about each other, and they are finding ways to come back without things getting too extreme, because we just want to see black couples win, black families thrive. So I'm about to watch the last couple of episodes, and I guess I'll be back with my review. I'm going to start it now. But how good is she getting? Doesn't she seem like she's better even now than when I first started feeding her like 10 minutes ago? It's like she's really getting it down pat. You're doing so good. But I just finished Reasonable Doubt. I'm very happy with the ending. The mom in me was really sad to hear about the baby dying. It broke my heart. But ultimately, I was happy that it seems like it will be able to keep them closer down the road, and like they have their own kids that are, of course, I think a priority. And yeah, my heart definitely goes out for the baby, 100%. But yeah, so I think this was really great. The season ended with the family intact, so we'll see how next season goes. I did just see this morning that they are renewing this for a 3rd season, according to Facebook's Reasonable Doubts Facebook page profile. So I'm excited. I don't think I've ever seen her in any shows before though. So or Lewis, Jax or Lewis. So I'm happy to have like some new faces with some great acting. I didn't know my girl Candy Burrs was going to be guest starring, but that was so fun and surprising to see. So excited to see who they bring in on the next season, because they've only been bringing in the best so far. So